Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage again, and I'm just going to start off today by just tidying everything up. But before I get into any of the video, just give it a like, give it a subscribe quick, and just help me out, do me a favour. Right, let's get started. Right, so that's the area all cleaned up. Can actually move about again now. Got the older key rings. Don't forget the sponsorship. Fucking please check the description. They are amazing. And yeah, now everything's tidy. Might crack on with a few more other bits. Sweet. Battering me mum. What's going on, Virgo? No, it just flew over your head. Alright, now that everything's tidied up, I want to use this bit. It's the exact same material as this. I want to use that, and I want to make a square piece that just slots perfectly onto here, so I can use that as a rollable, portable workbench if I need to. Just because then I have the option to, it's already done. And yeah, I'm going to get into measuring that. See what we can do. First things first though, I'm going to take this little fuck off. Screw in the middle there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So that's off. Couldn't be bothered to run the script because it didn't fit the drill or anything, so I just beat it off with a hammer. Did the job. Put the hammer back up there. Right, now let's get the other measuring tape out. Grab, we don't have a pen in here, do we? Yeah, we do have a pen, we don't have a pencil, so I'm just going to use a pen for now. Just can't be bothered. Right, first things first, let's get that tool chest off, put it up there for now. So the first measurement is a 55mm. And this is actually 550mm. No, mine is 505. Yeah, and then this is actually 550. So I need to cut it down to there, basically in the center of the camera. So we've got that marked out. So we're gonna take it out into the garden somewhere and start cutting. Nice. So I've just cut it out for the first time. Let's see if it fits right. That corner there on the actual toolbox is bent in, so I'm just gonna grab the hammer pick and bend that out. You can see what I mean by it's bent in, so just should slot in now. Bam! Perfect. And now I have a portable workbench. Let's try to put the engine on it, see what happens. So as you can now see, this can easily hold an abundance of weight without any flex in it at all. All I needed was to put a nice bit of board there. You can see it's nice and thick as well. That's distributed all the way out lovely, so that can just roll around now as a portable workbench. Like, I can move and take, like say for example, I wanted to move the engine from there to a bike I had in the garden somewhere, and it was heavy. I just put it on top, roll it out, done. Also, do you guys know that the sim is no more? It says get sim engine on that board, but we come into this garden, I can't see a sim anywhere. I sold it for a tenner. You guys could have had that, but you didn't, and it went for a tenner. So yeah, thought I'd tell you guys that the sim's gone. Might make an in-memoir video. What do you guys think? Should we make a video about the wonderful life the sim had? Bear in mind, me and Sam, fucking the original JBS Sam, had this bike in our circulation for a good 1.5 to 2 years. We had that sim, so it's got a lot of old memories of it. But yeah, what do you reckon? I'm just glad we've got this done now. Handy as fuck. So everything's put back away again now. That's done. I'm really happy with how this came out first try. Took me a matter of like what, 5 minutes to build, and now I've got a 10 times more useful tool chest. I could just leave it there permanently really, but if I ever do want to take it off, it literally just lifts off. There's nothing fixing that down, which is brilliant. Now for the lock-in bar, I don't know where I put that a second ago, but it is somewhere still around here. I can still lock it. Ah, it's down the side, just there. You can't really see it, but it is there. And the locking bar for this one, the top one, is just in the entrance there. Still lock them. They're still good. Oh, we've done well today, I think, so far. Ain't even very long, but we've got some bits done. Lovely jubbly. So that's actually going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this episode of JBS Garage. Sorry it was quite a short one today, but then again, you guys might like short ones. Let me know if you like the longer, like 12 to 20 minute vids, or let me know if you want to just see 5-minute clips all the time. It's up to you guys. I can make anything happen. It's me, you know? So just let me know. Please give this a like, give it a comment, subscribe, do everything. Just help this channel grow, because the more we grow, the quicker we're going to do a giveaway, the quicker that's going to have a turbo, and the quicker everything's going to happen. Come on, just please, help a man out, come on. Help a struggling man in need. He needs some new tools. That's what he needs. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.